Hello guys! Today we're taking a look at the Mloong Frozen Phantasm gaming desktop, a stylish pre-built designed for smooth 1080p performance. At its core, it runs on the AMD Ryzen 5 5500, a 6-core, 1-2-thread processor that handles everyday gaming, streaming, and multitasking with ease. Paired with the Radeon RX 6000 608GB graphics card, it delivers solid frame rates in modern titles, keeping gameplay fluid and visually sharp at high settings. You also get 16GB of DDR4 RAM and a 1TB NVMe SSD, which means fast boot times, quick game launches, and enough storage for a solid library of titles. Switching between apps feels responsive, even with background programs running. One of the standout features is the cooling setup. With multiple ARGB fans inside a clean, futuristic case, it stays cool during longer sessions while adding a bold RGB glow to your desk setup. Overall, the Mloong Frozen Phantasm offers reliable gaming performance, fast storage, and eye-catching design in one ready-to-go package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.